Alright, this is my 1989 Nissan Pathfinder SE V6. So I cut off the muffler. Wanted to show everybody what it sounds like, you know, if you do cut your muffler off, if you have a 1989 Nissan Pathfinder. I've seen other people's videos of what their trucks sound like afterwards, so I figured I'd show mine. I'll show you here. There's the catalytic converter. Cut it off right at the end, and now we just have a piece of flex pipe. So it's coming out right in front of the back tire. There it is. Didn't want to take the catalytic converter off, but just went ahead and cut the muffler off. So I'll let you know how it sounds. It did get a little bit deeper, but it does sound different than it normally would, obviously.